Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put AS and 4S. This one we can do about factorization by number 3. So about number 2s, I will put 4s minus 2s. So this one we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 4. This one by s. Negative number 2. Now we can do another factorization by s plus number 8. This one by s plus number 4. And now we need to simplify s plus number 4 on numerator and denominator. And now I will put negative number 4 cone here and here. And now we have the final answer. And that is about negative number 2 over 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.